I feel the MBA program has done a really great job in helping me pause for a moment and think to myself, what do I want to accomplish from a professional standpoint? What do I want to accomplish from a personal standpoint? And also from a cultural standpoint. I'm Cristian Gonzales. I'm from Los Angeles, California, United States. And before coming to Vlerick for my MBA, I was in the marketing industry for about 12 years. I think Vlerick is a really great, I would say, expression and reflection of Brussels, in that Brussels is a very worldly and culturally and internationally diverse city. I think Vlerick really has a wonderful principle around that kind of approach as well for its education, your educational partners, your professors, your classmates, and that's just been such a wonderful and rewarding experience. What I like about Vlerick's program is that it does help meet students where they're at that particular moment in their career or in their life. Whether it happens to be that, again, you're starting out that kind of more mid-management standpoint and you want to go beyond that. If you are in one kind of business vertical and you want to explore a different kind of business vertical. If you are maybe, let's say, based in the US or India, but you want to be based now in Europe or kind of the expanded areas of Europe, then I think Vlerick provides a really good opportunity to be able to not only explore that, but then also say, hey, is this what I want to do? Do I want to relocate to a different country? Do I want to relocate to a Belgium or neighboring Netherlands or whatever it happens to be? And there's not very many schools, I think, that provide you with both a cultural and real life opportunity and an academic opportunity the way that Vlerick does. Part of what I wanted to get out of the MBA that was very important to me was to understand the business from a much more strategic and broader and 30,000 foot level. It's not just about marketing and strategy. All the pieces really need to go into place to be able to drive success for the organization, drive success for the people within it, and then hopefully also drive success for the business vertical that you're contributing to as well too. And so for all those reasons, I think the MBA has been a really wonderful reminder that, hey, like there's still plenty left to accomplish, not only for myself, but for my classmates and the world around me.